Then I want to adjust its ring degree. Take the porcelain pill board and remove this screw. Then I removed the 2 screws on the back of this one. Remove both screws. Then do the same thing and look at this. This one has small holes. With small holes. Small hole fried pork fan corner. The small hole is facing toward the special direction. The smaller it is, the narrower it is. If you move it like this, it will become narrower by swinging it from left to right. The same thing can be done in reverse. This big hole, the big hole is facing toward the special direction. The larger the hole is, the smaller it is. It will become wider as you go. As you can see, the current word support basically has no support, right? Then, you can see if the support is too large.